Good evening, my dear friend. Today we will discuss next step of pivot table. So from I will talk and I will share all information in Hindi because for the understanding हमने लास्ट दिन हमने ये सीखा कि पाइवेट टेबल को कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं। राइट नाउ हम ये सीखेंगे कि पाइवेट टेबल को हम दूसरे वे में कैसे सेलेक्ट करें कि हमारा डेटा स्मूथ वे में समराइज हो और हमें उस पर ज़्यादा वर्क करने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े। सो जब भी आप पाइवेट टेबल अपने डेटा को समराइज करते हो, पाइवेट टेबल लगाते हो, तो एक चीज ध्यान रखना, आप इस डेटा को इन आप टेबल फॉर्म में क्रिएट कर दे रहे हो, तो आपको इसमें कोई भी डेटा को ऐड और डिलीट करना हो तो आपको इसमें ज़्यादा काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये ऑटोमेटिक आपका रेंज कम ज़्यादा होता रहेगा। आपको कुछ भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको अपने पाइवेट में रिफ्रेश करना है, डेटा यहाँ ऐड करना है, सिर्फ रिफ्रेश कर देना। आपको कोई भी रेंज हटाने और चेंज करने की और रेंज को बढ़ाने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है। नो नीड टू इंक्रीज रेंज, नो नीड टू डिक्रीज द रेंज। जस्ट firstly you have to select your data and you have to create table, so you can press the control plus T, then enter. If you want to see your data like this, right, so you can see like this. And if you want to give your table name, so you can give a brand. And yesterday we discussed how to create pivot. So here you can go inside, then you select the pivot and all the things, or you can directly use your shortcut key. And right now we can see another option here. Like if you create the table, so here is new tab is open, table design. In table design you can just click click the summarize with pivot here. It automatically summarize your pivot in if you want to see your data in a new worksheet, so you can select the new worksheet, otherwise you can select the existing worksheet. So I want on new worksheet, so I just select the new worksheet here. Now you can see all the information like pivot table 5, rank, unique id, brand. So here I need brand name. Then I can select the country sale, not it here in column. Then I want listing price of the product brand here. So I got the information here, all the summarizing in summarizing way. But right now here, so let's uh, take screenshot here, then paste it here. Okay. Now let's check. We can delete the data of Nikon for Japan. Okay, and see what will happen. Nikon and Japan. So in Japan, here, here, and we can just delete the Nikon Japan. Okay, then we have to come here and we have to just refresh our data. Only refresh. You can see new updated data here. It's changed. And now we can just copy the data here. Okay, and paste it below the table. V V V Control V, and change the name is here. Control V. Okay, then just refresh it here. Okay, we get the new updated data here. So when we select the all data and create table, then we don't need to increase or decrease our range. Now just take another example. Okay, just copy the data. I have a, okay, here I have a sheet. Now let's move on another sheet. Here I just select the data here. Okay, and then I just create pivot table. I select brand name, then country sale here, and then listing price. So just take one more screenshot here, just paste it here. Okay, then and now we can delete the data of Sony. Okay, here we can delete two data of Sony and then refresh this one. Right now you can see changes of Sony here. Okay, 159. So decrease if you delete the data, so is our pivot is also changed, and then just add these thing four time. So as per this, our list price is increased by 9 is happening 958. Okay, and let's see here if we refresh it, no change. There is no change of pivot. So this is the only drawback of pivot. If we just select only range, then there is you can you can't see the here you can't see the other changes and new data. But if we can firstly make table, then you can change anything under the table or below the table. So you can get, if you refresh it, you can get the new data here. We don't need to change our range. So in next video we can learn how to increase our range. Okay, bye bye, my dear friend.